30-day challenge, day number 13. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Crypto.com is down 2%, but look at this right here. They are still involved in NFT, UFC NFT drop, and it's going to look amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I've been saying this for a while. I do believe in the future, Crypto.com is going to be a force to be reckoned with. And today, we're going to continue this movement. Day number 13, we're going to buy Crypto.com, and this time we're going to get it on COINBASE.com. Don't forget, if you don't have a link or if you don't have an account, click on the link below. So today, we're going to get $50 worth of Crypto.com, and we're going to put it right in the captain spreadsheet. So we'll put this right here. Let me see if we've done a $50 before, and we have on this day here. So we're gonna get $50. Let me go ahead. Something went wrong. Let me see what happened. See what happens. I probably need to go ahead and restart it here. But while that's doing that, let me go ahead and let me restart this for a minute. So sometimes you always gotta refresh, And I go to click on buy, sell, and I'll go ahead and look for it. But while that's doing this, let me change this to 13 and change this to the 3rd. So happy Friday to you. Thank you for following. And I will go ahead and get this ready to go for the 3rd. Boom. So when I put those numbers in there, it'll automatically update itself. So and then I'll do $50 and I'll look for Crypto.com, which is pretty simple to do. And we go. And preview the buy, and we can only get 69 worth. And let's see, go back here, it will be $48.01. So it'll be very similar to the one that's right here. So we can literally almost copy it. Almost copy it. Okay, so $1.99. And let me go and grab the price. The price says it right there as well. So either way, it's 69 cents basically. Pretty much. 69 cents. All right. So that is the lowest actually. That is actually the lowest. That's one of the lowest, because yesterday was $100 and today was $50. And we still getting ourselves negative $152. But remember, this is long term. We want to get 4,000 in here. We have about, I don't know, 16 days to get there. I do believe we will get there because we're being consistent. You are with me. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and move this right down here. Boom. Look at that. So we have gotten $25.84 total of Crypto.com. We've got $1,900, $1,935 paid, and Crypto.com payments $1,894. But look at this, only $41 in fees. So this is really good on a combination on COINBASE.com. And let me go ahead and move this down here. Go ahead and do that. COINBASE.com and Coinbase Pro. So we just kind of alternate going back and forth, just to keep it a little bit, little different, little style here. So anyway, that's in the book here. It's all done. Let me click on buy, get the view transactions going on. Congratulations, you made it to another day. Day number 13 is in the books. And you know what? I'm really excited about this here. The UFC NFT drop, NFT collection. They are always involved. Crypto.com. I was reading something about this earlier today, saying that it could be the next Binance. If it does, no financial advice, this is going to be amazing. Because remember, Binance, if I go look at Binance, that's what somebody was saying. Binance is $622. You imagine that? Let's just say it did. Just for this alone, $25.84. So let me just do a little simple math. Times 622. I don't even want to talk about what the price that would be. Oh my goodness. But I think it got ways to even get to that level. But I think them doing these partnerships, especially with the NFTs and with the The basketball arena downtown Los Angeles is amazing. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain speaking. I appreciate you each and every single day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on the next video.